Hey guys, so in this video I have the DJI Action 5 Pro and I'm going to show you how to insert the SD card into your camera and as well how to switch from the internal storage mode to the SD storage mode, so all of your videos and photos are going to be saved onto the SD card. So first of all, you want to tap here, press here and open this side. Now slide it to the top and open it. Now you can see that you have the battery of your camera here, and slightly to the right you also have the SD card slot. You can see that I already have the SD card in there, okay, so I'm gonna keep it in there as well. Now I want to close it once inserted and go to your camera. Now we want to open the control center panel and scroll to the right. So here I have my SD card as well as the internal mode. Now what you want to do is to switch between them. Now simply tap on it and then confirm it to switch to internal, or tap on it here and then confirm it to switch to SD card. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.